Hey guys, Jay here with Word of Advice TV. This video is mainly for my long-term subscribers, people that have been watching my videos and following me throughout the years, and some of you I know have literally watched hundreds of my videos and commented on them. I really appreciate you, I thank you, and I bless you for all the support that you've given me throughout the years. So I feel like I owe it to you to give you an update and let you know what is going on in my life and why I am posting less and less on the Word of Advice TV channel. I'm sure some of you noticed that I used to post twice a week, then that switched to once a week, and nowadays I'm only posting every other week or even every third week. And the reason for this is because I mostly already stepped away from HVAC and appliance repair work. The only kind of work I do in those fields is pretty much just for myself or friends or family. About 2 years ago, I started feeling like I have to do something completely different. I was feeling like my repairman career and my YouTube Word of Advice TV channel is kind of coming to a close. That season is ending. So I had to do something completely different in order for me to grow and expand as a person, to grow my character. So after giving it a lot of thought and prayer, I came to a decision to get into real estate and become a real estate agent. So I got my license here in Hawaii, I'm on the Big Island, and I joined a brokerage called EXP. I was thinking to completely wrap up with YouTube and with social media. I didn't really want to do any of that anymore. I was just going to be an agent, go look at houses, help people buy and sell the best properties they can find and stuff like that. But when I talked to my broker and he found out about my YouTube background, the very first thing he suggests is making a YouTube channel for real estate. I wasn't too keen on the idea, but after thinking it over, I decided that it is a good move because pretty much everything is on social media nowadays. So I switched careers, but my YouTube is not going anywhere. Which also brings me back to Word of Advice TV. What am I going to do about this channel? It's been a good run. I would love to believe that I influenced a lot of other creators and helped a ton of people throughout the years. But for now, I'm going to definitely scale back. My knowledge and my skills, everything I know, has not gone away just because I became a real estate agent. So I will continue to post on this channel, but not nearly as often. I probably will just continue doing what I've been doing, which is posting every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. And if there's any videos that you want me to make in particular, let me know and I'll try my best to get that done. But for those of you that actually enjoy my lame jokes that I usually do at the end of my videos, I want to let you know that I will be doing these same jokes at the end of my real estate videos, which I will try to post every single week on Saturdays. If you would like to learn more about real estate and Big Island in particular, I invite you to follow me on that channel. I've learned a ton, and I definitely don't regret making this switch. And it's pretty fun too. This last year, I got the opportunity to visit a ton of different houses, condos, and a variety of different kinds of properties. For example, yesterday, we went to an oceanside complex, and you can't even go in without special security or special clearance. So you have to park your car, and a shuttle takes you in to see the open house on that ocean front. There are some really unique and beautiful properties here on the Big Island. In fact, I try to take videos of some of the best ones and post them on my real estate Instagram page, so if you're interested to see some of that, make sure you follow me there too. So that's what's going on with me lately, and the reason why I'm not posting as often as I used to on the Word of Advice TV channel. But rest assured, I don't plan to completely disappear off of this channel, and I will occasionally post a new video. I'm excited for my new real estate career, and I plan to become one of the best agents on the island. One that is going to have integrity, is going to be honest, and is actually going to help you find a great house and not just sell you a house, if you know what I mean. And I believe that is all I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end, and as usual, if you made it to the end, I have some jokes for you, or more specifically, thought-provoking questions. Question number 1. If a fly loses its wings, is it now called a walk? Why does quicksand work so slowly? Why do we call it a hamburger when it's made out of beef? If you're waiting for the waiter, aren't you the waiter? And if you clean the vacuum, does that make you a vacuum cleaner?